Are you planning your next backyard party, camping trip, or family gathering and wondering how to keep drinks cold and food warm without juggling multiple coolers and containers? Well, today I'll be reviewing the 80QT heavy-duty rolling beverage cooler cart, a stylish, dual-function cooler that promises to make hosting easier, more convenient, and a whole lot cooler. Stick around because I'll break down everything you need to know. Features, pros and cons, who it's really for, and whether it's worth the $130 price tag. This isn't your average cooler box. The 80QT Iron Spray Cooler with Shelf is a large-capacity rolling beverage cart designed for indoor and outdoor parties. It's made from iron spray plastic, which gives it a modern, sleek finish while also being durable and resistant to wear. It comes with dual functionality. You can keep drinks ice cold for up to 48 hours with an ice sheet, or keep food warm for 4 to 5 hours above 40 Celsius C. And unlike traditional coolers that just sit on the ground, this one has lockable wheels, a bottom storage tray, and even a built-in bottle opener, turning it into a practical serving cart. In short, it's part cooler, part warming box, part serving station. This cooler is designed for anyone who loves entertaining, traveling, or spending time outdoors. Specifically, backyard hosts who often throw BBQs, birthday parties, or holiday get-togethers. Campers and adventurers who need a mobile solution to keep drinks cold all weekend. Event organizers and caterers who want a professional-looking serving cart that guests can access easily. Families who want one product that covers both cooling and warming instead of buying two separate appliances. Oh. Think about it. Most coolers are small, so you can't fit enough for a big group. Only designed for cooling. Hard to carry around, especially when filled. Plain looking and don't match a party setup. This cooler fixes all those problems. It has a massive 80 QT capacity. That's enough for dozens of drinks and snacks. It keeps drinks cold for up to 48 hours, or keeps food warm for several hours. With wheels and a bottom tray, you can roll it around easily instead of lifting. And with its modern iron spray design plus stainless steel handle, it actually looks good at parties. It saves you space, effort, and stress. What makes this cooler stand out from the rest is its multi-purpose design. Dual temperature function. Very few coolers can both warm and cool. Built like furniture, while most coolers look like a plastic box, this one doubles as a stylish beverage cart. Durability. The iron spray plastic material and stainless steel details mean it's long-lasting and can handle heavy loads, up to 242 lbs. User-friendly, lockable wheels for stability, bottle opener for convenience, and a bottom tray for extra storage. It's not just functional, it's also a conversation starter at parties. Pros: huge 80 QT capacity, perfect for large gatherings. Cooling plus warming functions, rare to find in one product. Strong and durable, can handle heavy loads. Easy mobility with two-way lockable wheels. Includes bottle opener and tray for added convenience. Sleek and modern design. Fits in any setting. Long cooling time, up to 48 hours with ice sheets. Cons: on the heavier side, about 41 lbs empty. Takes up more space than a regular cooler. Cooling depends on ice sheets. It's not electric-powered. Maybe overkill for very small gatherings. This cooler is best for large families who regularly host BBQs, birthdays, or reunions. Outdoor enthusiasts who camp or tailgate and want a cooler that lasts days. Event planners and caterers who want a functional yet presentable cooler for weddings, office parties, and big events. Anyone tired of small plastic coolers that don't last or can't keep things warm. If you usually host 5 to 20 people, this cooler will serve you very well. Backyard BBQ. Picture grilling burgers, while guests help themselves to chilled drinks right from the cooler cart. Food that's ready but not yet served stays warm inside. Camping trip. You set up camp Friday evening, and by Sunday morning your drinks are still cold. No need to constantly buy ice. Wedding reception. Instead of plain plastic coolers, this stylish cart sits near the bar area stocked with cold beverages, adding elegance to the setup. Tailgating party. You roll up, unlock the wheels, pop open a cold beer with the built-in opener, and your friends instantly love the setup. The 80QT Rolling Beverage Cooler Cart isn't just a cooler, it's a party upgrade. For about $130, you're getting both a warmer and cooler in one, plus durability and convenience. It's durable, stylish, and highly functional. If you're someone who hosts often, camps for long weekends, or manages events, it's worth every penny. If you only need something small for personal use, this might be more than you need. But for gatherings, this cooler saves time, looks great, and keeps everything at the right temperature. So, if you're looking for a cooler that does more than just keep drinks cold, something durable, stylish, and built for parties, the 80QT Rolling Beverage Cooler with shelf is a fantastic choice. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check out the latest price and more details. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe our channel Product Reviews 444 for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.